Good evening, everybody. Election to the 30 wards of Corporation of the City of Panji. General election to the 6 municipal councils: Pernem, Bicholim, Walpoy, Kurcharem Kakoda, Kunkolim, Kankona. By-election to the Ward 9 of Sangli Municipal Council. By-election to the 16 Navelim ZP constituency. And by-election to the 18 wards of village panchayats was held today. Total 190 booths were set up, and Commission is glad to inform that the entire polling process was well organized and was conducted in a peaceful manner.
There is no untoward incidents has been reported. All the polling parties are depositing their ballot boxes and EVMs at respected designated locations. Now all the ROs are in a position to deposit in the strong rooms. There is law and order is well implemented. There is no problem at all. Even our commissioner has visited some of the polling stations and is also satisfied the arrangements made by the RO and also people's party. Okay. Regarding the turnout, the Pernem turnout, Pernem municipal council turnout is 91.02, Bicholim 87.96, Walpoy 85.50, Kurcharem Kakora 80.24, Kunkolim 76.35, Kankona 87.07. The overall turnout percentage of 6 municipal councils is 83.19. Similarly, the turnout of City Karna Panaji is 70.19 and 9th ward by election Sangli municipal Sangli is 87.67% and 16 Navelim ZP constituency the turnout is 57.52% and average percentage of 18 wards of village panchayats which have gone for by poll is 83.80. So the turnout is quite impressive and people come forward, cast their votes without any problem.
What is the state percentage?
Because these are 5 different elections. I cannot combine together because one is ZP election for Navelim, by-election of municipal council, similarly by-election of 18 municipal wards, CCP election and 6 municipal councils are different bodies. We cannot club together and inform. Okay, but overall turnout is good.
You know how many voters is there?
Is it? Because regarding municipal councils, 6 municipal councils, Pernem, out of 4,133 electors, 3,853 people have been voted it. Bicholim, out of 12,969, 11,408 people voted. Walpoy Municipal Council, out of 6,042 electors, 5,166 people have been voted it. Similarly, Kurcharem Kakora, out of 16,571 electors, 13,296 people have been voted it. Kunkolim, out of 14,544, 11,104 voted it. And Kankona, out of 10,157, 8,844 people have been voted. That means for all the 6 municipal councils, out of 64,516 voters, 53,671 people have been cast their vote. Turning leading to 83.19%. Pernem has highest turnout, that is 91.02.
As per the reports received by the Commission, only one COVID positive patient in Walpoy Municipal Council exercised his right to vote. No, rest all it is zero.
Monday counting also किती आहे?
काउंटिंग कितलं आहे? काउंटिंग सर कमी
Counting.
No, basically this briefing is for poll day details only. Any other details will be informed by the commissioner.
Through press.
Counting as per schedule.
No, this briefing is only for poll briefings.
Nothing is decided for
No, again, I would say the same thing, that this is for poll day and all details, that data that we have got about poll day, that is 2 days.
The counting is not yet confirmed, the date.
No, see, please, the notification clearly specified it, okay? Already Supreme Court given verdict, you people are aware it, and whatever the notice issued, whatever is prevailing, that is also good today, as on today.
But as in code of conduct is removed from 5.
Yes, notification issued, no? Notification issued, no?
Notification is
Issued, already issued
yesterday.
it.
So the entire process of those 5 municipal councils is null and void.
New.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fresh schedule will be announced by this.
What? You are just
That we will inform you. Separate this notification will be issued for
For remaining 5 municipal councils, separate schedule will be announced it, that will intimate you, that will be notified.
The result will be pending or will be declared within 2 days.
No, see, as on today, what is prevailing, we are
I
going to tell.
understood, sir. I understood, sir. But
Yes.
you want to write, sir.
No, see, commission will take a decision and inform to you people accordingly.
Okay.
Sir, any numbers like how many COVID positives?
One.
No.
only one in Warpoi Municipal
Voters
Council.
were there.
See,
That statistic is there.
no, see, what we are having, how many COVID, we are already specified 1 hour. Between 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. is meant for COVID positive cases. People can come and vote it. Already BLOs already collected the data, but only one positive person has come at Walpai and casted in the vote.
In entire process, no? Palika Panchayat.
Of 6 municipalities.
Municipalities.
Whatever the information received as of now by the ROs, who are sent by ROs, we compared it, we are given the briefing according to the information received from the concerned and respective ROs.
So, on Monday there will be no counting.
No, who said that one?
It's up to you, sir.
No.
No, there is counting
See,
on the 20.
I am telling to you, please understand it. No, please understand it. Already prevailing notifications are there. As per the notification, the schedule, it will go. Because as per the whatever the notification issued as of now, whatever the prevailing notification, that will continue. Only he said, already mentioned it, that the 5 municipalities have been null or void.
Understood.
Okay, that is. No. See, I am telling to you. See, there is no change.
Okay.
No, what is the worry? Wherever you can give notifications, 4th March notification will set aside. So the 5 municipalities counting is not there, and election will be null or void. It will start again fresh process. The schedule will be communicated.
Thank you.
Thank you much.